How to turn on or off sensor and uses data on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're using an iPhone and want to control how Apple collects sensor and uses data, this video is for you. So first open up settings, then you'll need to scroll down and go to privacy and security, and then you'll need to scroll down, and then at the bottom you'll find analytics and improvement. Just tap on it, and then there you'll see share iPhone analytics and share iCloud analytics. So you can toggle both of this on. So this controls whether your iPhone shares uses stats and sensor data with Apple. It does not affect your daily phone performance. And if you want to turn it off, you can just toggle it off again. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.